Well, good morning. I'm Jagendra Rana. The topic for the discussion today is India's first private reinsurer. India's first private reinsurer. The chairperson of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India approved the first reinsurance license to a private player, Valuatex Reinsurance, backed by Prem Vatsa and Kamesh Goyal. So long GIC Re, a public sector entity, was the only player in the field. This marks a significant step in fostering competition within the reinsurance sector. So with R2 approval, the company is one step closer to commencing reinsurance operations. However, it can be in the business only after meeting the requirement of bringing in the necessary initial capital. So Valuatex Reinsurance is owned by Owen Ventures LLP, promoted by Kamesh Goyal and FAL Corporations, backed by Vatsa, with Fairfax Financial Holdings. They are also the promoters of Go Digit General Insurance and Go Digit Life Insurance. FAL Corporation, backed by Vatsa with Fairfax Financial Holdings. This Valuatex Reinsurance is owned by Owen Ventures LLP, promoted by Goyal and FAL Corporation, and backed by Vatsa with Fairfax Financial Holdings. And they are also the promoters of Go Digit General Insurance and Go Digit Life Insurance. So the company will start with paid up capital of rupees 210 crore. There was a long-standing need to have private reinsurance players in India, and becoming India's first private reinsurer marks a significant milestone for us. With this, the Digit group of companies, that is general insurance, life insurance and reinsurance, will strive to become a one-stop solution for our insurance needs, allowing to provide full spectrum risk coverage. GIC Re has been in the field since 1972. So with liberalization in insurance in 2001, GIC Re was designated national insurer and has the advantage of the first right to refusal and obligatory cessions as of December 31st, 2024. So obligatory business accounted for 39% of GIC Re's domestic earnings and 61% was non-obligatory. So at present there are 13 foreign reinsurance branches set up by global reinsurance companies, including Munich Re, Swiss Re and Lloyd's of London, operating in India. In 2016, ITI RE received approval from IRDA for insurance, but it surrendered the license without doing business because of operational factors. In December 2018, IRDI had rejected a proposal from GoDigit to acquire ITI RE. In December 2018, IRDI had rejected a proposal from GoDigit to acquire ITI RE. ITI RE was set up by Sudhir Balia, backed the Investment Trust of India. So it's an interesting initiative, however. There may be challenges about capital requirements due to the extent risk has been retained and to the extent it has receded. So the ratings from IRDI approved agencies and regulations associated with investments in India. Generally, reinsurance is a capital intensive segment that requires technical expertise and deep understanding of the business. So it is good for the industry. The promoters have deep pockets and expertise. They can start an Indian business with the existing capital